is a one-owner 2017 Honda Odyssey Elite with 6 cylinders and 3.5 liters. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. This Odyssey seats 8. Oh, let me go unlock it. While I'm here, I'll go ahead and show you. It has power locks, seat memory. There's where you can open your passenger doors as well as your lift gate. Lane departure warning and traction control. So I have this seat folded down so you can see how nice and flat they go up. Pretty simple. And there you go. It has the power lift gate. Oh, one last thing. It does have the vacuum. Kind of a nice, convenient feature. All right, come over here. You have aluminum alloy rims, and there's the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. It is the gray leather. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that seat forward so you can see how well the seats have been taken care of. Your rear passengers can be entertained with a rear entertainment system, and they also have control of their own air. So you have the tri-zone climate control. Let's go up front. You have dual power seats. They are heated. Here's your navigation screen up there. That is also where your backup camera will be. Like I said earlier, the tri-zone climate control and heated seats for your front passengers. This is where your audio screen is. Navigation menu. Then you have your USB 12-volt port as well as an auxiliary port. This is where your DVD will go. And then a nice little box here that can be cooled so you can keep drinks nice and chilled, or even a little secret stash of chocolate. There's your middle console. One of the tires is a little low on air. Otherwise, there's no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise control, your information selection, phone controls, and menu controls. And then it does also have a sunroof, and there's your sunroof controls. So if you're looking for a van to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Honda Odyssey out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!